Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all will be fine and safe at home. I am Miss Nimra Rani, SS English at Divisional Public School and College, Sahiwal. It's your English lesson. I hope you all will be taking your lessons with great attention. In today's lesson, you are going to learn simple present tense. The objective of today's lesson are identify simple present tense in a sentence. Use simple present tense in sentences. Convert an affirmative sentence into an active sentence. Convert an affirmative sentence into an interrogative sentence. Let's start our lesson. First read and then think. Do you know what is simple present tense? Simple present tense in English is used to describe an action that is regular, true, or normal. It means we mostly use simple present tense in our daily life to describe our actions that are regular. For example, I always go to school by bus. It is my routine. Tom gets up early in the morning. It is his habit. Aisha brushes her teeth twice a day. It is her habit. The sun rises in the east. It is a fact and we all know about it. Water freezes at 0 degrees. It is a fact and scientists have proved. The bank opens at 9 in the morning. It is a schedule for the bank. This train leaves for Lahore at 8 p.m. It is a schedule for this train. Remember, we use simple present tense to tell something about habits, hobbies, routines, general truths, schedules, events. As it is clear from the above examples that different actions are performed on daily basis that includes habits, hobbies, routines, general truths, and schedules of events. These are all the examples of simple present tense. There are some words that may give the idea that the sentence requires simple present tense. It means in some sentences you may have some words like always, never, daily, every year, every day, every month, usually, regularly, generally. It means these words give you a hint that the sentence is from simple present tense. So you have to follow the structure of simple present sentence. The structure of the sentence is in affirmative sentences we use subject like I, we, you, they plus verb, base form, that is first form of verb, plus object. I, we, you, they are all plural noun. The examples are I like mangoes. We love our country. They play hockey. You speak gently. All students work hard. These sentences are plural noun showing the structure of affirmative sentences of simple present tense. In affirmative sentences, sometimes we use he, she, it plus verb base form with s, r, es plus object. Or we take a singular noun plus verb with base form with s, r, es plus object. A singular noun can be a name of a person, of a thing, of a country. For example, he likes mangoes. She plays tennis. Miss Sabha speaks gently. These are the examples of affirmative sentences using a singular noun or third person of singular. Now, look at the following table in which we have three basic things. First is subject, second is verb, and third one is object. In first column, we have different subjects. In second column, we have same verb. In third column, we have same object. Following the subject, which shows that these subjects do not require s or es with base form of the verb. We will read it as I play hockey, we play hockey, they play hockey, you play hockey. In next step, we have subjects like he, she, it, and verb that is play using s or es, and the object is same in third column. Following the rule, we will read it he plays hockey, she plays hockey, it plays hockey. Now we have three main columns. First is subject, then verb, then object. In the column of subject, we have different subjects like I, we, they, you, he, she, it. In second column, we have the verb same, but in second step, the verb is used with s or es. But in second step, we have the verb same, that is read, but it is used with s, as we have to use the verb according to the subject. So we have subject such as he, she, it. According to these subjects, we have used the verb reads and the object is story books. We will read this column as I read storybooks, we read storybooks, they read story books, you read story books. He reads storybooks, she reads storybooks, it reads story books. In English, there are some verbs that ends on different sounds, so the ending of these verbs is changed with different verbs. The spelling of the verb in the third person differs depending on the ending of that verb. For verbs that end in O, CH, SH, SS, X, or Z, we add ES in the third person. For example, we use the verb go that is ending in O, so the next verb will be goes. Catch, catches, wash, washes, kiss, kisses, fix, fixes, buzz, buzzes. In second step, for verbs that end in a consonant sound plus Y, we remove the Y and add IES. For example, we have verb marry. It ends in the consonant sound and Y, and we will remove Y and write it as marries. Then study, studies, carry, carries, worry, worries. Note: for verbs that end in a vowel plus Y, we just add S. Play, plays, enjoy, enjoys, say, says. In these three examples, before Y, there are vowel words such as A, O, so these words are simply used with S, such as we also use do and does. Dear students, get ready because we are going to practice exercise. Let's read the statement. Mark the following sentences as correct or incorrect in the relevant column. In this table we have three main columns. First column is named as sentences. Second is correct and third one is incorrect. Recall the structure of affirmative sentences and solve this exercise. Let's read the first statement, that is, he go to school every day. I like swimming. You play cricket nicely. She work hard. Children loves to eat chocolates. In the first statement, the subject is used as a singular subject. In singular subject, we use S, R, E, S with the base form of verb. In this way, this sentence is incorrect because with the base form SRES is not used. Next statement is I like swimming. This statement is correct because we do not use SRES as we have the subject like I. Third statement is you play cricket nicely. This sentence is also correct because we cannot use S because here we have a subject that is you. So according to the grammatical structure, we cannot use S with the base form. In this way, this sentence is also correct. Fourth statement is she worked hard. This statement is incorrect because to the third person singular we have to use S, RES with base form. But in this statement S is not used with the base form and base form is word. In this way, this sentence is also incorrect. Last sentence is children loves to eat chocolates. Children word is also used as a plural noun. In this way, we cannot use S with the base form of word. So, this statement is also incorrect because we have a plural subject. Now let's move to make negative sentences. In negative sentences, first we use subject plus do not plus base form plus object. A plural noun plus do not plus base form plus object. For example, I do not like mangoes. We do not love our country. They do not play hockey. You do not speak gently. All students do not work hard. Step number 2. Negative sentences. In negative sentences, we have the subject like he, she, it. Then we use does not plus verb with base form. Even a singular noun is used with does not plus verb that is base form. For example, he does not like mangoes. She does not play tennis. This boy does not speak gently. In these examples, we have singular subject and according to the structure, we have to use subject plus does not plus verb, basic form of verb plus object. Let's move to interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, first of all, we have to use do plus subject that is I, we, you, they plus verb with base form plus question mark. Do plus a plural noun plus verb using base form plus question mark. Examples are do I like mangoes? Do we love our country? Do they play hockey? Do you speak gently? Do all students work hard? In interrogative sentences, we also use does plus he, she, it plus verb that is base form plus question mark or does plus a singular noun plus verb that is also base form plus question mark. Examples: does he like mangoes? Does she play tennis? Does this boy speak gently? In these examples, we have used singular subject as well as singular noun. In this way, we have used does. Now, you have a home task in which you have to complete the table using simple present tense. In this table, you have 3 columns. First column is named as affirmative, second negative, and third one is interrogative. In first column, there is a sentence of affirmative and negative is blank, and then interrogative is also blank. So keep in mind all the structure of affirmative sentences, negative sentences as well as interrogative sentences. According to the structure, you have to fill these columns. In second step, you have a negative sentence and you have to complete the affirmative sentence and interrogative sentence. But in third blank, you have interrogative sentence and you have to make negative and affirmative sentence. In fourth step, you have negative sentence. Here you will complete affirmative and interrogative sentence. In step number 4, you have again interrogative sentence and you will complete negative and affirmative sentence. In last statement, you have again the sentence of affirmative sentence and then you will complete negative as well as interrogative. Dear students, I hope you will complete your work. So remember, try again and again is the only gateway to gain success, because hard work never goes unrewarded. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.